Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a high-performance cordless vacuum, then you've landed on the right video. Today, we're doing a head-to-head battle between two top contenders in the vacuum world, the Dyson V8 Plus cordless vacuum and the Shark IZ462H Vertex Pro cordless vacuum. Both offer powerful suction, but which one is the right fit for your home? Keep watching to find out. Let's start with the Dyson V8 Plus. Dyson has been a leading brand when it comes to premium vacuums, and the V8 Plus is no exception. It's lightweight, ergonomic, and offers powerful suction that deep cleans both carpets and hard floors. Plus, the HEPA filtration system helps trap allergens, making it a great option for those who suffer from allergies. On the other hand, we have the Shark IZ462H Vertex Pro. This vacuum offers PowerFins technology which ensures continuous suction on all surfaces from carpets to hard floors. It also has a self-cleaning brush roll, great for pet owners, and anti-allergen complete seal technology, making it perfect for households with sensitive air quality. So, which one should you choose? Let's break it down. Suction power. Dyson V8 Plus offers strong suction with its digital motor, but the Shark IZ462H takes it up a notch with PowerFins, ensuring a consistent clean on all surfaces. Battery life. The Dyson V8 Plus runs for up to 40 minutes, while the Shark IZ462H offers up to 60 minutes of runtime. Perfect for larger homes or longer cleaning sessions. Filtration. Both vacuums have HEPA filtration, but the Shark IZ462H also features the anti-allergen complete seal, which traps more allergens for a healthier home. Ease of use. Dyson is known for its lightweight design, whereas Shark gives you the multiflex technology, making it easier to store and clean under furniture. Now that you know all about these vacuums, it's time to make your decision. Do you prefer the Dyson V8 Plus for its lightweight and powerful suction? Or will the Shark IZ462H Vertex Pro steal your heart with its long battery life and innovative features? Don't forget to hit that like button, comment below with your choice, and subscribe for more product battles. Also, check out the links in the description for the best deals on these vacuums. Let's dive into the comments. What do you think? Which vacuum is the ultimate choice?